Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here with an interesting tool. This, my friends, is the Stanley number 82. And it's a scraper, as you can tell by the scraper blade. However, that is the wrong scraper blade. It should be about a third of that size and turned the other way. It should only be a little bit wider than the head itself. This tool, they call it a cabinet scraper. I would think it would be used probably for smoothing tabletops mostly, butcher blocks, or possibly floors. How it works is you have a thumb screw here, which is what you use to loosen and change the blade. And then there is this thumb screw here with a hole in it. Talk about the hole in a second. And when you loosen that, you can change the position of the head, but only so much because it's 4 separate holes. So why is it 4 separate holes? Well, the only thing I can think of is that when you lock it down in a hole, it can't slide open or closed. That's one thing. Then the other thing is, when you want to tighten it, if you did not have those holes, okay, let's take the thumb screw out. And the thumb screw has to be completely unthreaded in order to change positions. All right, so there you can see there are 4 holes. If that was just a slot, like I said, and you didn't tighten that thumb screw down, this would have freedom of movement and you could have it slide on you while you're working, possibly causing injury, possibly ruining the work. So this way, it can't go anywhere. Now, as for the hole in the thumb screw, enter the nail set. You slip that in that hole, and now you can tighten it to the point where you can't accidentally untighten it. So that's what I'm going with. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Most carpenters and cabinet makers have a nail set. I'm supposing you could use a nail as well. However, this fits so perfectly. It fits. It makes sense. So that's about it. It's in good shape. No cracks, nothing broken. Just the fact it doesn't have the original blade. So if I can find someone locally who can cut this into 3 equal pieces, I might be able to do it with a hacksaw. I don't know the hardness of the scraper blade. But that's about it, everybody. Let me know if you have a Stanley 82. They made different versions. This is an older version. If you use it, if you like it, what's your opinion of it? Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your shop. Walter out.